Hey guys, it's Mr. B here again. Thank you for checking out my brand new PowerPoint game today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day over there. I would like to say a big, huge thank you to all the viewers, subscribers, and contributors. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. You can grab this free PowerPoint game template in the description box below this video. Also, make sure to install the fonts that is included in the description box so that your game looks like the demonstration video. If you're new to this channel and would like to get more awesome content like this, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can get the latest materials when I put them up on this channel. And if you want to help this channel even further, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. It will really help this channel out a lot. Alright, so let's take a look at this brand new PowerPoint game. We can start by clicking on the play button below the slide here. Yours might be located somewhere on your PowerPoint presentation, but mine is located down here since I'm using a MacBook PowerPoint. So let's click on the play button here. And this is our first slide with the instructions on how to play and how to edit. But I hope you can watch the video till the end to learn how to edit your game for yourself. So let's take a look at the rules here. Again, you can play this however way you want. This is just one way of doing it. So first, click on the next button to reveal the mystery object. You can give students clues to encourage them to guess what the objects are: color, shape, taste, etc. After they guess, click on the silhouette of the object to reveal it. Click on the revealed object to send it to the list on the left side of the slide. Students who can guess the most correct wins. Alright, so on the left, on the right side here, we have the how to edit, and you can read through this later, or you can watch this video and learn how to do it with me. So everything on here is interactable. You can click here and it will zoom in, and you click on it again to zoom out. But I will walk you through this process later. So hopefully you can watch it and pause it and learn how to do it. Again, you can click on any of the pictures here to interact with it, and it'll zoom in and zoom out a little bit here. And let's see, you can click here as well. Alright, and also you can click here as well to see what it looks like. Alright, let's click on the Start Game button here to start our game. And here we are on the first slide. On the left we have the list of things that will go there, so just click on the next button here. What is this? Now click on the silhouette here to reveal the object. Pineapple, and then click on the object again to send it to the list on the left here. Alright, let's click on the next button again. Can you guess what it is? Let's see. Let's click on it. Aha! It's a watermelon. Awesome. And then just click on the watermelon to send it to the list on the left here. Alright, let's click on next again. What is it? Alright, awesome. Let's try it again. Again, you can use this however way you want. You can give students clues, color, taste, size, etc. Or you can have the students ask you questions instead. to have them engage in the lesson or interact with the game as well. For example, is it yellow? Is it sweet? Is it spicy? Is it sour? Where can you find it? Etc. Also, you can change different objects to match your lesson. It doesn't have to be fruits or vegetables. It can be anything you want. It could be in the house objects or household items. Whatever you want to use it for, it's really up to you. So let's click on this and see what it looks like behind the silhouette. It's an apple. Awesome. Alright, so let's click on the next button here. Let's see. It's a lemon. Nice. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions on a PowerPoint game, please don't hesitate to write down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely take a look at that. Who knows? Maybe one of your PowerPoint game ideas will make it to the next video. I'm working on some sequence of PowerPoint games, and I can't tell you what it is, so you'll have to stay tuned and check it out when it's posted on my channel here. Again, you can grab this free template below this video. Make sure to install the font that's used for this game so that your PowerPoint looks like the demonstration video. I recommend using this PowerPoint game template for for younger students to help them build vocabularies and ask questions. However, you can use it for older students as well. It's really up to you on how you want to use this. It doesn't have to be fruits or vegetables. You can change the objects to whatever you want, household items, toys, etc. It's a peach. Awesome. Alright, click on it and let's send it to the list here. And let's hit the next button again here. Let's just move through this really quickly. Alright. There are blueberries. And let's do one more. Let's click on the next. Let's see if you guys can guess what this is. Alright, clue. It's stinky but sweet. It's the king of fruits. Can you guess it? Give up? Alright, let's see. Let's reel it. Alright, once you finish the game, a little bonus will pop up here. Just click on the bonus to take you to the next slide. Alright, we're on slide 2 and the theme is vegetable. Can you guess what this is? It's green. It's crunchy. You can find it in salad sometimes. What is it? Let's see. It's a cucumber. Alright, so let's click on the cucumber to send it to the list on the left. Alright, let's take a look at a few more examples here. Click the next button. You can find this on Halloween. It's a pumpkin. Let's see, let's try the next one. What is it? It's corn. Alright, and let's try one more just to show you guys here. It's lettuce. Awesome. Alright. Let's take a look at how we can edit the pictures to match our lesson. Hit escape on your PowerPoint presentation. And let's say I want to change one of these images here. We'll open our selection pane. So mine is located here. So open that up, and we are going to click on hide all. We want to only edit the images that we want to change. So hit hide all. And let's scroll down to the first image. It was a cucumber. So let's find it. Here it is. So first we have to choose name 1, mini cucumber, cucumber black, and cucumber. So you have to edit 4 things. Okay, so make sure you get these 4 things: name 1, mini cucumber, cucumber black, and cucumber. So you want these 4 things. So let's do a different one here. So let's see if let's say if I want to change one of these. So I would click on name 2, mini pumpkin, pumpkin black, and pumpkin. So these 4 pictures or 4 images here. So you want to only edit these 4 in pairs. All right, so let's go name 1, mini cucumber, cucumber black, and cucumber. So these 4 I want to edit. Right click on the image, go to change picture from a file, and you can insert a new image in here. So let's find an image that we can change it to. For this demonstration purposes, let's use, let's find a cherry. Where's my cherry? All right, so, oh, there it is. I found it. So let's make it, change it to a cherry. All right, so cherries here. Click on the image and then insert. And you want to do the same for the cucumber here, cucumber black, change picture from a file, and find cherries and insert. And also the cucumber in the back there. So right click, change picture from a file, and then find the image and change it to cherries. And last but not least, change the name as well on the name holder here. We'll call this cherries instead of cucumbers. So cherries, and awesome. That's all you have to do. The only thing you need to do now is change this to a silhouette. So it says cucumber black here, but it should be cherries black. So right click on this, and we're going to go to format picture here, and we're going to choose this right here, picture corrections right here, picture corrections. Click on that, and we want to reduce the brightness to 0. So grab this right here and just drag it. So minus 100%. So it's now just a black silhouette. Open a section pane, click on show all, and now we can test it out to see what this looks like, this new picture here. So you don't have to do anything else, just hit play. And let's click the next button. Awesome. Let's click on the silhouette. And there we have it. And click on the cherry, and should send it to the list on the left here. Awesome. So let's do it again. I'll walk you through it again. Escape. Let's say I want to change the pumpkin there on the left here to a different image. Click hide all in your selection pane. Let's find pumpkin here. So name 2, mini pumpkin, pumpkin black, and pumpkin. So these 4 things you need to edit. Right click, change picture from a file, and let's put a different image in here. It could be anything you want. A teddy bear, a robot, a book, anything. I'll put a dragon fruit in here this time, and change the pumpkin in the back as well. And let's see, let's put another dragon fruit here. And don't forget to change the mini pumpkin here on the list to the same image. All right, dragon fruit, and let's give it a different name here in the name holder below. Let's call it dragon fruit. Awesome. All right, and now we have to change this first image here. It says pumpkin black, but you would name it like dragon fruit black or whatever. Let's change it to a different silhouette. Change the color to a black silhouette. So let's go to here, format picture, picture corrections, and reduce the brightness to minus 100%. Awesome. Alright, go to selection pane again and hit show all. And you would want to do this for other pictures as well, other items in here as well to match your lesson. Alright, so let's hit the next. Cherries. Alright, and we know that worked out okay. Let's try the next one. Alright, looks good to me. Alright, let's click on that and let's send it to the list. Awesome. Alright, so that's how you would change the image. Again, you can change the image to whatever picture you want to be, toys or in the house, clothings, whatever you want.
Thank you so much
to do to match
playing
your
my
lesson,
game,
etc. Hope you guys enjoy this little PowerPoint game presentation. And if you do, don't forget to like, share, and comment. It will really help out this channel a lot. Also, if you're new to this channel and would like to get more awesome materials like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can get the latest materials when I put them up on this channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day over there. I wish you the best of luck in your classes.